Hi guys, I'm walking through Southland shopping centre in Melbourne, and guess what I come across? Vietnamese banh mi place. So I had to check it out, see if it was good as my place in Springvale. So bun buns. So let's check this out. Let's see how good it is. Looks good. Let's see what it tastes like. It's fresh, but it's no bun buns. It's nice. If all the ingredients are fresh, just one bite and I can tell that it's nothing like bun buns. But I'll still eat it. Yum. What's it lacking? Not much pate. I asked for chili, not much chili. All the other ingredients are fresh and it's nice. It's like a nice bloody sandwich roll, you know, barbecue sandwich roll, but it's no banh mi. Still, I'll eat it. It's $9. So it's ever more expensive than the bun buns one. No, bun bun number one. Mind you, they're really busy. There's a lot of Aussies buying it. So I think words got out. Vietnamese bun buns, banh mi's are fantastic. You know, they haven't tasted the Vietnamese one in Springvale. So as usual, I'm knocking it down pretty quick. Well, that's what it's there for, to be eaten, and I'm eating it.